and to Judah that they will fall into the country of Babylon. They will go into captivity. And all of a sudden, chapter 47 comes along. And what is God saying in chapter 47? Babylon will be destroyed. Do you see the whole picture now?
Yes. But at the time that Isaiah was saying this to the Israelites were well off. They were in a good condition.
They were in good condition.
So they did not relate with this.
Could be. So they were blinded. Their eyes weren't open. God was declaring to them, but their eyes weren't open. Just like us. God has been sending us preview. ISIS, Ebola, what do you think this happened? By chance only? No.
It's a punishment.
No, it's a punishment, it's a discipline, but it's also a warning. A warning for us. Okay? But what is happening to us? We are not taking heed. We are not taking heed of these signs. Do I see anyone going out to the streets of Quiapo and saying, the Lord is coming soon? Wala. Parang ano tayo, just like the Israelites at the time of Isaiah, God has been declaring and showing signs, okay? But we are not heeding.
We are not paying attention.
Okay, we are not taking heed. Okay. So what else do you see? What else is chapter 47? So you saw the whole picture now. Huh? God has been talking to Israel, saying that you will be captive. You will be held captive by Babylon. And then in 47, God showed them, I will destroy Babylon. Okay. What else? What else did you learn now from chapter 47?
Sa first.
Oh, sige.